Need a gable-style roof? It's easy with BricsCAD Shape. Align the drawing plane to the wall surface by pressing Shift while hovering over the wall surface. To fix the angle, press Tab and enter a value. Press Enter to accept. To change the slab profile thickness, press the Tab key. You can change the alignment of the slab by pressing the Control key. Let's repeat the process for the roof profile on the other side. To have the slabs join at the top of the roof, select both elements and select the Connect tool from the quad. Use the Control key to cycle through the available connection options. Using BIM drag, you can extend the slabs to have the appropriate length. Now that the roof creation is completed, let's extend the walls to reach the roof. Highlight the top face of one wall, then from the quad, click the Select Align Faces tool. Next, select Connect with Nearest. To view the inside of the house, hide the roof slabs.